Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related and luxury things. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox my newest pair of sunglasses with you guys. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It's like a surprise. So, okay, I ended up purchasing my newest pair of sunglasses at Bloomingdale's because, well, I don't know what came over me. I've had my eye on these sunglasses for a long time and I just kind of went for it. But I just want to say thank you all to my subscribers who have been here since the beginning. I love you guys. You guys know how much I love my luxury things, and you guys know how I wait and I plot and I seriously, like, I put a lot of thought into the luxury things that I buy, and you guys know how I am. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe below because I love doing unboxings and I love showing you guys what I get and why. And it's honestly just one big happy family on my channel, and we just love to like talk about luxury things, and no judgment here, you guys. We all just love Chanel. Okay. I'm gonna move you guys back a little bit so I can, yeah, okay, we can get a better view. Done, okay. So, let me just, okay, first I just wanna say, I love shopping for sunglasses, okay? I am not that type of person who's like, oh, like, weirded out by different sunglasses. Like, I don't care, I'll buy the most outlandish shit and wear it. But anyway, these are a little more classic, if you will. But let me just unbox them and show you guys what I got. Then we'll talk. Here is the receipt that I'll always keep. And let's just open her up because I'm dying to wear these. All right, so here we go. I got them from Bloomingdale's. Here is the delicious wrapping paper from Bloomingdale's. Wanted to buy these from here because I just wanted to kind of collect some points to go towards like other stuff. I don't know, it's a point system thing. You guys see that? You guys can read that, right? You guys can read that, right? So I kind of went all the way this time. Kind of just said, you know what? Make it expensive. No, for real, you guys, I love my Versace sunglasses. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll always see me in a pair of Versace sunglasses. I'm a big fan of Versace's, but like, I have nothing bad to say about Versace sunglasses. Honestly, they're so fun. But the more I go and I watch things and I see women and I see fashion and I see chicness, just utter chicness and classic, oh boo. It's Chanel, okay? But I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So here is the packaging. It honestly looks like all other Chanel packaging. So just classic black Chanel. We're gonna pop this open. We're gonna take the oh, there's a booklet. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here is the like glasses packaging. I really love it because look at the quilting on the back. How cute is that? It's like the classic Chanel. I don't know if this is leather. I don't know if this is supposed to be lambskin or what. I think it feels like lambskin. Feels pretty delicate. It's definitely a leather. Super soft. I think this is lambskin. So black, classic, super shiny. I love it. Says Chanel here, right here. Love that. And let's just pop this open now. Oh my God, and inside, I didn't even notice this when I bought this, but oh my God. So the inside here is velvet. So freaking luxurious, right? It freaking better be for the price of these sunglasses. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, honestly, I'm not even embarrassed to say that. Like, it better be like, you know, something insane. So here we go. It's velvet inside, says Chanel inside, and we're just gonna take these beauty queens out of their bed. And here they are. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Why am I singing? Here they are. Oh my God, do you guys see this? Now here is the sides. Now, I could have chosen, first of all, they're made in Italy, by the way. And I could have chose, these come in silver and they come in gold. I chose gold because, well, my Chanel bags are all golds. hardware. So obviously the glasses have to match, duh. So I'm gonna put them on. They're heavy, by the way. They're freaking bam. Hi, how the hell are you? I don't know what's going on. That tag is bothering me, but how the hell are you? They're straight, right? They're straight, right? Hi. They're straight on my face, right? Like, when I bought, they look, are my ears sticking out too much? What is happening? This tag has to come out, but look it. Hi. My ear, I can't with my ears. Stop it with my ear. Hold on, my freaking ears. Oh my God, okay. This is like, I can't, I love them. How much do you guys love these glasses? I freaking love them. They're huge, they're heavy. They're like, I mean, they just mean business. They mean business. Like when I show up, they're very huge and they feel big on my face. And I love how heavy they are because that means they're expensive. At least they feel expensive, but I love even just the shape. Like look at this shape. They also come in obviously a ton of shapes, but like the butterfly, I was gonna get more of like a butterfly look, but I don't know. The butterfly actually looked good on me, but these just kind of stole the show. And I mean like, oh yeah, this is like, these glasses are gonna cut a bitch. Like you're not even gonna be able to tell what I'm thinking and how I'm feeling because these glasses hide it all. All you know is she's chic and you don't know what's going on behind these frames, baby. Probably pure joy, but that's just besides the fact. I mean, you guys know how I am, but like, hi, how the hell are you? Morgan has arrived. And I don't even know the name. Do they have the name of these glasses here? Let me see. No, just sunglasses. Okay. Chanel sunglasses. So debating if I should have bought these right from the Chanel boutique. Maybe it would have been better for resale. So I got my cleaning cloth right here. The cleaning cloth says Chanel right on it. Love it. It comes right in this gorgeous little package. I love. My dogs are barking. And then you get this great little luxurious feeling Chanel booklet pamphlet. And I'm just gonna open it because I'm actually curious what's inside because it's actually pretty thick. Look how thick that is. What the heck could it possibly say? Something's in French. I can't even pronounce it, but it's a message from Gabrielle Chanel, which we love her. Okay, hold on, it's literally in French. Everything's in French, which that's the way I like it. Okay, here we go, English. But I love how the first language is French, which rightfully so. So like, you know, Chanel, it's a French brand. I want to feel French when I'm wearing French designer. Do you see what I'm saying? Although they're made in Italy, but that's besides the fact. Okay, Chanel is first and foremost a style. Fashion goes out of fashion. Style never. Gabrielle Chanel. That's what I'm freaking talking about, bitches. That's what I'm talking about. Fashion goes out, style never goes out. Yes, queens, yes! Woo! Done. Okay, I just barked at you guys. Yes, I did. Yes, I just barked at my camera. I'm just super excited. Honestly, I'm feeling some type of way. These glasses have changed me from just little gardening goddess Morgan to like, I'm a fierce queen. I'm gonna cut everybody. And I honestly feel some type of way. I feel fierce in these glasses. These glasses transform me. I need an alter ego when I wear these glasses. That's how I feel. What should my alter ego be? I feel like who am I? I need a nickname. Guys, give me a nickname. I feel like I need a nickname, an alter ego. The lenses fitted in these sunglasses feature high optical precision and are impact resistant according to the Federal Drug Administration. I don't even understand why that's even a thing. The frames are made of specifically designed materials to guarantee lightness, comfort, and at the same time, mechanical sturdiness. Let's hope so. Limitations: not suitable for direct viewing of the sun or the viewing of the solar eclipses. Not suitable for use as protection against UV rays from artificial light sources, tanning beds. Not suitable for use as eye protection against blows or impacts. Well, let's hope somebody's not like using their Chanels to go like freaking skydiving in. Like, come on. I mean, actually, that would be the fierce. Wait, no. Wait, is that cool or is that? I don't know. Not suitable for driving at night or in poor visible conditions. To clean your sunglasses, use water and soap. Really? Avoiding all types of solvents or alcohol. Do not use dirty or abrasive cloths, which could alter the features of their filters. Use only original accessories and spare parts. Now, guys, I hope you enjoy these sunglasses as much as I do. I've been waiting a long time to get them, so I'm super excited. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go wear these glasses all around town and just feel like a queen. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope my enthusiasm didn't scare you away. I love you guys. Enjoy the summer. Go buy some crazy pair of sunglasses. I now finally have my dream sunglasses, and I'm ready to go turn into Priscilla. Why did I just call myself Priscilla? I have no idea, but my new name is Priscilla Presley. Goodbye.